I'm Leslie with Southern Oaks Realty. We do residential sales and property management. And today I'm in the kitchen of one of our investor clients because I'm going to do a little project to demonstrate sealing. A lot of people don't know that when you buy a new home, your counters and your backsplash grout are often not sealed. And these counters and backsplash grout are not sealed yet. So I went to the home improvement store and I bought two products. One is the spray-on grout sealer, and the other is one that we will wipe on and then wipe off. I like to use the spray-on sealer for the backsplash because it will adhere to the vertical surface, and I prefer to use the wipe-on for the counter surfaces. I've done some prep work already. I've removed the cover plates on the outlets. You don't want to seal around them because you'll always have a little gloss square. And I've also cleaned the counters and the backsplash. So I have a couple things here. I've got some gloves. I'm already wearing my old sweatshirt covered in paint. And we're just going to start by spraying on the backsplash tiles. We're going to start with the backsplash so that way we're not leaning over wet sealant on the counter. We're going to shake the can really well, hold 6 inches from the surface, and then spray into the grout lines. I got a little close in there, so I'm going to wipe off my overspray and make sure that it got into the grout lines. And that's it for the backsplash. I'll just continue all the way around. To seal the countertops, I like to use this wipe-on product. So you just need a white rag. You can also use a paintbrush, but I like the rag. And don't be afraid to get it nice and covered. And then just go over the entire surface, rubbing it in. And once you have the entire counter, don't forget the edges, done, go set your timer for 3 to 5 minutes, and then come back and wipe it off, any excess that hasn't dried. You can probably at this point see the difference between where the sealant is and the shine that it has versus the dull counter over there that has yet to be sealed. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm just going to wipe any excess sealant off. And that's all there is to it. I might do another coat. The way to test if another coat is needed is to put a few droplets of water and see if it absorbs. If it doesn't, you're good to go. If it does, then you might need another coat or two.